Welcome. In this video, you will learn how to factorize quadratics using inspection method. Factorizing by inspection needs a lot of care as you have to do a lot of mental calculations. But it can be rewarding as you can factorize the quadratics much easily. Factorizing quadratics like this produces two brackets. We first need to inspect what multiplies to give you x squared. Only way to get x squared is if you multiply x with x. So we start with x in each bracket. Now we look for two numbers that multiply to give plus 30 but add to give plus 11. We need to inspect all the factors of 30 and find a pair of them that satisfy condition on this table. Table like this will help you to think this through more logically. You might say 1 times 30 gives 30, which satisfy our first condition that two numbers needs to multiply to give 30. However, 1 plus 30 is 31. And it fails to satisfy our second condition that it needs to add up to 11. In this example, we will simulate what might happen if you didn't get the factors right the first time. So we ignore this pair and inspect another pair. After 1, we can try 2 times 15, which is equal to 30 and satisfy our first condition. But 2 add 15 is 17 and it does not satisfy our second condition. So we keep on trying. Next pair after 2, we can think of 3 and 10. 3 times 10 is 30, which also satisfies the first condition but does not satisfy the second column. But note that the total is heading towards 11. So we are going in the right direction. Now we should try 4, but 30 isn't in the 4 times table. We try 5 next. 5 times 6 gives you 30 and it also adds up to give 11. So we have found the pair that we need. Sometimes these pairs are easily found and we can do all the steps in our mental maths. With practice, these steps becomes easier and easier and you'll be factorizing quadratics in no time. Now simply insert these into your brackets and the expression is now fully factorized. Now try to factorize this expression. Two terms that multiplies to give you x squared are x and x. Two factors that multiplies to give plus 14 but add to give you plus 9 are 7 and 2. So put plus 7 and plus 2 into the bracket in any order you want. Full factorization is now x plus 2 and x plus 7. This method is very effective and saves a lot of time in the exam, so practice and learn. Thanks for watching. Be sure to try the exercises to test your knowledge. I'll see you in the next part.